Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the LinkedIn network will be back soon error so you can get back to your professional networking and job searching in 2026. Let's get into it. First, clear browser cache and cookies. If the status page is green but you're still seeing the error, your browser might be holding on to a corrupted session or outdated data. Go to your browser settings, the three dots in the top right, select Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data for the All-Time range, then hit Clear Data. Sometimes a handshake error occurs between your browser and LinkedIn's authentication servers. Forcing this data forces your browser to request a fresh, clean version of the site. In 2026, with the increased use of complex web scripts, a cluttered cache is the #1 reason for stuck error screens like this one. Next, try a different browser or incognito mode. To rule out any interference from browser extensions or specific software conflicts, you should test the site in a clean environment. Press Ctrl-Shift-N on Chrome or Edge to open an incognito or private window, then try logging in to LinkedIn. If it works in incognito, the culprit is likely one of your browser extensions, like an ad blocker or a CRM tool. In 2026, many browser extensions can accidentally block LinkedIn's security protocols, triggering the Back Soon error as a protective measure. If incognito works, go back to your main window and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one causing the conflict. Lastly, use a direct login link or password reset. Sometimes the error is specifically tied to a Google login conflict or an expired authentication token. Instead of using the Sign In with Google button, manually type your email and password into the login fields. If that fails, click the Forgot Password link to trigger a manual password reset. A common cause for this error in 2026 is an authentication conflict, where LinkedIn thinks you are logged in twice. Resetting your password or logging in manually with a one-time link from your email bypasses the standard and potentially broken session data, forcing the platform to re-verify your identity and clear the error. And that's pretty much it. To fix the LinkedIn network will be back soon error in 2026, first check the server status to see if it's a global outage. If it's not, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or use a manual password reset to refresh your session. If all else fails, switch to the mobile app using data instead of Wi-Fi to bypass local network issues. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.